Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to go ahead and let you know that I have seen some of you asking for help in regards to how to access your classes, okay? So once you click on the dashboard and then you click on the class, then this is what's going to come up. Okay, so this is for internet research. So this is your home. If you have any assignments, then this is where they come up. If there are any discussion boards for us to discuss things, then this is where you come up. If there are grades, then this is where they happen. People in the class, this is where you would find them. If there are any pages that I'm giving you guys to read or to kind of go over. If there are any files for you to go over, modules, if you want to chat with me, this is kind of where you would go. Or if you want to chat with anybody else online. Okay, so once you are here in home, then this is kind of where you start. Okay, now some of this we already touched, and some of it we haven't. And so I just want you to kind of go over some stuff here, go over Canvas, and then if you see in our discussions, there's going to be just one, the one that says let's talk. I'm going to erase the other one, but this one, so you would just click on here where it says let's talk, and then I just want you to reply. You're going to click on here where it says reply, and then you're just going to tell me, what did you learn about Canvas? Is it easy, or is there anything you still need help with? And then you're going to write that on there, and then you're going to press where it says post reply. Then I'll get it, and then I'll reply. And that's that. All right? Let me know.